Hello everyone, how's it going? In today's video, we will be unboxing a gaming mouse, and it's called ASUS Gladius Wireless 2. ASUS mice have always been amazing, as they always try to do something more unique with their design and features. Okay, so let's jump straight into the unboxing. On the back of the box, we have some specifications and features, including the 16,000 dpi, 5 programmable buttons, on-the-fly DPI switch, Aura Sync RGB lighting, Bluetooth and wireless 2.4G modes. There is not much going on the front, and now we will open the box and we can take a look at the mouse itself. We can see that the mouse comes with extra Omron switches, also known as the mouse clicks, which we can replace very easily once our original click start to show some signs of degradation, and that is really nice thing to have. Alright, now let's go ahead and open the box. On opening the box, we can see that we have the mouse on the top with a USB connector for wireless mode. Now we will remove the top cover and grab the mouse itself. The mouse feels really nice and solid. Now we will remove the plastic and take a closer look at the mouse. We can also see the laser sensor along with the switch to toggle between wireless, Bluetooth and wired mode. The mouse is comfortable to hold and the buttons feel really nice and clicky. The wheel is smooth and there is a rubberized texture on the sides for better grip. Let's put mouse aside and see what else do we have in the box. We also have the USB wireless dongle or the antenna to use the mouse wirelessly. So this is not a gold-plated connector, but the connectivity is really great with this one. Alright, now let's put everything aside and let's take a look at this package. So here we have the user manual and the documentation printed in different languages. Let's put the documentation aside and let's see what else do we have. We also have some ROG branding stickers from ASUS. We'll put them aside, and here we have the Omron mouse switches that I was talking about. So the mouse comes with 2 extra mouse switches in the box, and these are made by Omron, and most of the gaming mice use these. We can easily replace them by removing the screws on the bottom of the mouse. So the mouse has a push-fit socket design, so we can simply plug in the new switches and remove the old ones. There is no need for soldering. Now let's turn the mouse on by moving the switch towards the left for Bluetooth mode. Now you can see in the purple light is flashing, which means that it's on. Alright guys, so that's it from the unboxing, and we will do a detailed review in the upcoming video. So thanks and do subscribe.